If you want to install your hardwood floor on concrete straight, very important to make nice first line. To make line, you need tools: pencil, tape measure, chalk line, and chalk powder. We have on market a few different powders for chalk line: red, blue, dark, yellow. So I prefer red because for me it's more visible. Some my friends like black or blue. It's up to you. You can choose whatever you want. Different room has different shapes. So sometimes you have fireplace, sometimes you have staircase, sometimes long hallway. So it depends. You have to have a look what's the better. Sometimes you have to start from fireplace. In different rooms, straight line, you have to start from different places. Today I'll show you how to make straight line in hallway. So in this example we have very long hallway. It's approximately 30 line of feet. So how we can do it? Here we have one side wall from staircase, and here is few rooms with very short walls. I'm sure all walls not very straight. Hallway approximately a little bit more than 5 feet. Okay, we can take 4 feet and start make marks from each walls. So don't make marks close to the end because most of walls is curved to the end. So I'll just take like feet from the end doorway and then just measure, put tape straight edge. Oh, sorry, put tape and mark here 4 feet. So for more visibility, make a circle around. Okay, go down. Okay. Same story. Not from the corner. Just take 2 feet, 1 feet away, and make another line for. Go ahead. Next. So right here. So here is drywall too high. Just try to make sure you attach your tape measure to drywall. Another 4 feet. One more. Okay, good enough. Well, maybe you can do it right here too. So, if you have chalk line and there is just shaking it, there is not enough powder, look, it's empty inside. So take the powder and put it in. That's it. So just need to shake it. If you work alone and nobody can help you, you can use your tool bucket or glue bucket, any heavy stuff. So just put exactly chalk line on this mark. Put bucket on top. then we have to follow this whole line. And then just snap it. So, okay. Now we have to check what's going on. So what we have now, we took this point. Here is, we start from here. We start from here. And this wall is quarter out. You see, quarter here. And then another wall. It's fine, exactly straight, it's a point. This wall approximately ½ inch out, and just like, you know, with some little angle. Here is 3/8 maybe, and this point fine. So when I add piece of wood, because I have to connect hardwood with tile, here is approximately 100% is perpendicular. So this line is good now. Now we have to check how the line is fit to the door frame. One side of the door frame is 54 inches. Another side door frame, it's 1/8 out. Approximately fine. Okay, go with another. Go. Here is 54 exactly. Another side of door frame. 54. Good. Here is 1/8 out. And this one door. Exactly 54. So line is pretty straight. Now we have to have a look to another side. Here is the side of staircase. You can see here, if you measure here, here is 15 and 3/8, 15 inches and 3/8, and this here 15 and 3/4, it's quarter up. But here 15. So if you have a look on the wall is curved. So it's not our problem. we just follow what we have. Last I have to check the door frame from another side. So just take it. 87.5. And here 87.5. So line is perfect. Line is perfect. Now we can start installation. Now this line is finished. It took 2 hours. And tomorrow I can start installation this way or this way. It's any side I can do installation. Here so many spots. I can finish this. I can finish kitchen area. You can use this method. Thanks for watching.